Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by loosening the antenna mast and exposing the base. You want clear access. Using a flat tool, gently pry up the plastic cover around the base. Work one edge then the next so you don't snap clips. Once the cover lifts, wipe away grime with a cloth to prevent debris entering the connector. Make sure to note any foam seals or gaskets so you can reinstall them in the same orientation. This prevents leaks and preserves antenna grounding. With the cover removed, hold the antenna base to stabilize it and use a 10 mm socket to remove the central nut. This frees the base from the roof. Once the nut is off, lift the base a little and locate the coax connector underneath. Pull it straight out to avoid bending the pin. If corrosion resists, apply a small amount of contact cleaner and wiggle gently. Keep the nut and any washers together so reassembly is seamless and maintains the electrical ground path. Place the new antenna base onto the roof, lining up any tabs or gaskets. Push down so the gasket seats evenly. Reconnect the coax until it clicks or feels secure, then hand thread the nut and tighten snugly with the socket. Avoid over-tightening to protect threads. Once installed, reattach the plastic cover and test radio reception while driving a short distance. If reception is poor, check the coax seating and ground contact. If water appears under the cover, reseat the gas.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.